When asked to Vishaka about the status of women in India, she replied,
I think the current status of women is very bad, and we all know it. The very fact is, I was just abroad in Europe for a personal trip, and the worst thing I heard was from people was like, "Oh, you're from India, isn't it an unsafe country for women?" And I was like, "Yeah, we are goddesses in our country, and yet we are unsafe."
how can we change the mindset of the people?
You know, it's basic. To change a mindset, you need a lot of influential factors that can influence, and that starts from Bollywood as well. You know, the way we treat our women, the way we show our women in the films, to the way we even prescribe books that are prescribed in school. Basically, I would say it's education, but there are little influences in a lot of other areas that could help in women empowerment.
What will she do as an individual to change the status of women? To which she says,
So I think as a celebrity, because my forte is Bollywood, the thing that I do on my part is I try and choose projects that portray me as a strong, independent woman, and that has been clear in the choice of films that I've taken up.
Vishaka Singh will soon be seen with Nawazuddin Siddiqui in Mayate, where she will play a strong role of a woman journalist. When asked Kunal Kohli, in the film industry, are women treated as inferior to men? To which he says,
Not at all. I think in our film industry, women are represented, shown, projected in a wonderful light, and shown very well. And what they call heroine-oriented films also do very well. And in fact, I don't know why हम लोग बोलते हैं heroine-oriented films, क्योंकि आप love story तो without heroine बना नहीं सकते. You know, अगर आप दोस्ताना बना रहे हो वो अलग बात है, but otherwise you can't make a love story without a heroine. And at least in my films, the girl has always had a very, very important part to play, and in fact, as important, if not more important than the man. And in my films, at least, the girls are always very sure of themselves, know what they want, and go and get it. And the men are a little confused, and they are the ones who are actually shown the right way by the women.
how can the people change their mindset on women?
I think to change the mindset of a society, what we need to do is to educate right from the time people are children. हम लोग अक्सर क्या करते हैं घरों में कि लड़कों को अलग काम देते हैं और लड़कियों को अलग काम देते हैं, या घर का काम जो है वो सिर्फ लड़कियों से करवाते हैं, लड़कों से नहीं. तो ये बहुत गलत बात है. घर में ही हम लोग डिफ्रेंशिएट करना शुरू करते हैं कि लड़के ऐसे होंगे, लड़कियाँ ऐसी होंगी. अगर हम डिफ्रेंशिएशन घर में नहीं करेंगे तो आगे चल के समाज में, सोसाइटी में ये डिफ्रेंशिएशन कभी नहीं आएगा.
So, ladies and gentlemen, please give your thumbs up to this event and hope this will bring a change in the future. For more Bollywood latest gossip, subscribe to @Bollywood.